There we learn how to set the report the TCP, touch the TCP. First, we open the controller. So now in the teaching model, then change. Set the 4 password. Okay, here is system. Okay, now choose the. Okay. Okay. Now this page is how to set the TCP. We use the 0. Choose 1. The now is choose 1. 我们设置几啊？
零个一就 OK
了。we set the 1. Okay, how to set it? Then moving. First, we let the robot go home. 等一下。Then we choose click here. 一点。This. The robot will go home. You can see the 坐标在那边。Here, J1, 0, J2, J3, J6, and U. Right? Okay. Then we choose the system. Choose this. Okay. Then choose 1. 选0啊？
对。
Then choose 0. Choose 0. Then moving. 等一下。We use the TCP. This point moving the here. Moving the here. And J 几啊？J6是吧？
对。
And 6. And here is C, right? C is at the 0. You can see the here is 0. Then moving, go here, moving.速度快一点嘛。好了，别乱操作。让我拍一下。Okay, we now move the right. Only move the X, Y, and Z, and let the touch Y contact this point. Then do it. Choose the 0. 等一下。Then choose the 0. Then choose the peak. This one is finished. Then do next. Moving the X size go up a little. Okay. Then moving the C. Here is C. And let the touch go about 多少？About 哪边 ？A 组 ？No. We just see the here. We choose the work. Here is not a show. Only more click here. Then move it about this degree. Then let the Y contact this here. X, Y, Z. Then 等一下 Then choose one. Then do the pick. Choose the TX. Choose the TY. Then choose this button. Here have change it. Then means the robot touch the TCP is finished. We can check it. Master choose the work, right? Okay. No. Then click this. Choose yes. Choose here. Choose yes. Okay. Okay, then choose the work. Check it. Then moving the C. Only moving the C. Can see it. 你往这边来一点，消息往这边往这边来一点。You can see it. Only moving the C. Then the welding Y. Turn this point. The X, Y, Z, C. Move it together.